Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating a radio out of a 1963 Volkswagen bus, the original hippie mobile. I love it. I hope it's got flowers painted all over it. This comes from John in Eugene, Oregon. John has requested the modern internal FM conversion with the USB and Bluetooth features, so we're here to make sure it all works before we send her back. Now, one thing that's really two things unusual about this radio. The volume and tuning knobs are reversed, and it's going to drive me crazy thinking that I'm hitting the tuning when I'm actually adjusting the volume, so be prepared for that. And then another thing is this radio was manufactured with no tone control. There is no tone control on this radio at all, so we're stuck with obviously having the same tone, and we're also stuck with having all four speakers operating at all times, since there's no way to activate the virtual balance or fader function. So that being stated, let's go ahead and turn the unit on. I've got it set to FM at the moment, and since there's no station presets, I'm just going to rotate the dial pretty quickly through the FM range so that I'm not stopping on a song for too long, getting nailed for a copyright issue, but still be able to show you how many stations it'll pick up. So got it set to FM. Let's turn it on.
Back and forth.
Hey, I got the right knob.
Fly strips in your living room.
Okay, we'll just make sure all four speakers are working.
Instead, try Zevo Trap.
We only need to test that once on this unit, since we can't adjust the. Okay, let's go. Let's go down the FM dial. Pretty quick on each station.
Other in Philadelphia. Championed by Nana. Estamos de regreso en tu. And all other fresh, authentic.
KDDL. We're happy to help in any way we can.
Bill, he nudges.
Another 20 bucks. I gotta go.
Since you've called, and I appreciate your calls.
Rewind.
In a new Chevy right now. Enjoy.
Okay, let's flip it over to AM, which we do by turning the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on. Now we're on the AM band. We get one strong station around the center.
Hear the answers to, as well as when my wife was upset, I slammed right in.
Okay,
of course,
that's our strong AM station. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. Whoops, there I go, hitting the wrong knob. Okay, try this again. Activate the Bluetooth.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, Bluetooth ready to pair, so the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device. Of course, I don't do all that in the video. I just make sure it goes into pairing mode, indicating that it's working properly. Let's test the USB reader. I got my radio commercial on one of these USB sticks. Here we go.
Juneteenth events are planned for Sunday. The Arizona State University.
Okay, pull the stick out, radio comes right back. Alrighty, and then since the Bluetooth never did pair, the lady would come back on 90 seconds later saying pairing not completed. So that's the gist of that. So all the functions are working. We got AM, FM, Bluetooth, USB, and let's test the dial light. Make sure that that's flipping on and off in response to my. There we go. Alrighty, so we're good. Alrighty, she's ready to go, and I'm ready to get on the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to an old ancient AM radio. We can add FM, Bluetooth, USB, who knows what else by the time you're ready to do business. My website's in the description below. I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a 30-minute barrage of questions because the options are so numerous these days as far as fixing the radio. So it's a lot more complicated than it used to be. So I ask all customers to visit my website and see what options are available, get their prices and all that stuff before calling me with a bunch of questions. Once you've been on my website, I'm happy to talk to you and answer any questions that the website does not not answer. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, John, for your business all the way from Oregon, and we'll see you guys next time.